there. Oh, and the chair and the bed right there. Oh, you bought some furniture? Why not? All right. Well. No. Yeah. So if you use his money, when something happens to Grandpa, you can divvy up the damn stuff if anyone needs it. Right? Part of the whatever, right? Whatever. It'll be Christmas. He said he thinks he's going to be here for Christmas at night.